Hey again guys, and welcome back. Just a quick video today. I 3D print a lot of stuff, most of it not electronics related. I just really love 3D printing tech. But I figured I would make a short series, maybe to release on Mondays or one of those lull days where it's not really as popular to watch YouTube, just showing you guys what cool stuff you guys can print that is electronics related. And the first item today relates to this. This is the fabulous Riden RD6018. If you haven't gotten one of these yet, you probably should. There's going to be a link in the description. So I like this thing a lot, and a lot of the cases for it, like there's a special made case, sits it like this, and it's like made this way for your power supply to sit inside. That doesn't work for me. I film top down, so I need something that holds it sort of in this orientation. And honestly, I've just been using it nude. I've been using it naked, just sort of like this. Just put the cable in and leaning it on the bench. Well, one commenter on a video about this meter said to take a look on Thingiverse, and I did. There are plenty of cases, and today I want to show you this one. It's the simplest case. It doesn't even have a hole for the wires to go through. The creator just says, you know what, just make your own. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So this just fits in here very snugly, and if it's ugly under here, I've actually adjusted my 3D printer. Right now it's printing like a champ. This was printed when it was printed sort of mediocre. But yeah, we just need to make a little hole on the side here and slide this in and try it out. For drilling into plastics, you can't really beat these step bits. So we're going to go down in this corner here somewhere. I'm just going to hope it doesn't grab my hand and, you know, hurt me or anything. But it should be fine. And I don't know if you know me, but I'm not really into aesthetics. So as long as it's good enough, it should be good enough. So now that it's started, this is becoming a lot less dangerous. This is PLA Plus, so this stuff is a lot tougher than your regular PLA. So if you're wondering why, and also I can't put too much tension on it because it is just a hollow print in the end. So just want this big enough to sort of snake this through. I think I'll be able to force it. Maybe I'll go one more. Typically, to clean up the hole, you would run it once more through on the other side, but it doesn't fit. Maybe I'll go just a little bit further. There we go. That should do. Make a nice big hole in there. And now, if you want to modify STL files, you can do that. But you know what? This guy's already designed it. Why would I reinvent the wheel? Be able to stuff these wires through, plug this in here, and should be able to just drop this through. Might be a tight fit with the ferrules I put on, but we'll see. Well, it's a pretty tight exit. There we go. That's kind of a perfect fit, and it's got this really nice sort of industrial look to it. Just got to clean up all my mess here and set this down. And I think that sits at a perfect angle for you, the viewer. I did want to lengthen these cables so it comes around the other side, or I could have drilled on that side, but you know, details. So yeah, just a cool little print. I'm going to link to this specific print. Make sure you thank the creator on Thingiverse. But I will also link you to a couple other prints which I think are really cool for these Riden power supplies. Thanks for watching.